On January 5, 2020, the annual meeting of Yankang Group, Dream Together, Win a Better Future, was successfully held. Employees of all branches of the Yankang Group come together to share the joy of the year. At the beginning of the annual meeting, President of Yankang Group delivered a keynote speech.
亲爱的延康同事们，大家上午好。新的一年，2020年到来了。我对延康同事们在2019年所取得的优异成绩表示热烈的祝贺。对各位同事在过去1年的努力付出表示衷心的感谢。
The speech summarized the work of the past year and put forward new requirements for the work of 2020. President proposed, achieving others and dedicating to society is Yankang's great purpose. Cultivating talents for society is Yankang's greatest value. Helping employees grow is Yankang's management philosophy. Yankang always puts employees' growth and happy life in the first place of company strategy. At the same time, Yankang insists on customer focus. Firmly believed that the people in the world will feel relieved, comfortable and confident because of using Yankang products.
同事们，接下来我们就应该立刻行动起来，抓住机遇，敢做敢干，积极主动，不断创新，一直到达胜利的彼岸。
Outstanding Employee Selection Group Leaders give awards for outstanding employees. Annual meeting show the partners in each department of the group have prepared various programs carefully. Sweepstakes. The group has prepared generous prizes for everyone. LCD TVs, electric cars, mobile phones, microwave ovens, etc. Game interactive link fun interactive part of the game. Everyone is having fun. 2019 is the 70th anniversary of the China Yankang leaders brought song performance together for our motherland. President Xia Heyi came to the stage to give a toast and sent everyone a New Year's greeting.